Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where passion meets performance and legends are reborn on four wheels. Today we're diving into a machine that isn't just a car, it's an icon brought back to life with modern technology and futuristic engineering. I'm talking about the 2026 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod, a masterpiece that bridges the gap between the golden age of muscle cars and the new era of innovation. Ford has managed to deliver something that speaks directly to the soul of car lovers everywhere, and once you see what this beast offers, you'll understand why it's creating such a buzz in the automotive world. The exterior of the 2026 Mustang Fastback Restomod is the very definition of timeless style. At its heart, it's a tribute to the legendary late 60s fastback design, most notably the 1969 Mustang, with its long sweeping hood, sculpted bodylines, and that aggressive yet elegant fastback silhouette. But this is no ordinary throwback. The car is loaded with futuristic details like LED matrix lighting, carbon fiber trim, aerodynamic vents, and wider performance wheels that instantly set it apart. It's a car that demands attention, whether you're pulling up to a car meet or blasting down the highway. It has that rare ability to be both a classic and a modern-day head-turner. But what's under the hood is where this story gets really exciting. Ford has given this Mustang a Restomod heart that beats louder and harder than ever. Powering this monster is a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a hybrid system, producing an astonishing 850 horsepower. This combination of raw muscle and electric torque creates explosive acceleration, taking the car from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. And while the roar of the V8 gives you that old-school thrill, the hybrid boost adds the kind of instantaneous punch that makes it feel like a rocket on wheels. This isn't just a nod to the past, it's a leap into the future of performance cars. Inside, the Mustang Fastback Restomod 2026 is a perfect marriage of vintage inspiration and high-tech luxury. The cabin features retro-styled gauges alongside a digital driver's display, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge design. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with stitching details that pay homage to classic Mustangs, while the dashboard carries both modern minimalism and retro cues. Add in Ford's latest sync infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and driver assistance technologies, and you've got a cockpit that feels futuristic yet rooted in heritage. Handling has been dialed in to match the raw power. The car comes with adaptive suspension, all-wheel drive capability, and multiple driving modes, meaning you can go from relaxed cruising to aggressive track performance with the touch of a button. The result is a car that adapts to your mood and the road ahead, proving that the Mustang's DNA isn't just about straight-line speed but also about complete driving confidence. The Mustang has always been more than just a car. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of freedom, power, and individuality. With the 2026 Fastback Restomod, Ford has taken everything enthusiasts loved about the original and brought it into a new generation without losing its essence. It's rare, it's exclusive, and it's destined to be one of the most talked about cars of the decade. For collectors, it's a dream come true. For drivers, it's a thrill machine. And for fans, it's proof that legends never fade, they just evolve. So, if you're as excited as we are about this incredible Mustang, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Trend, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates on the cars that define the future. The 2026 Ford Mustang Fastback Restomod isn't just here to impress, it's here to make history all over again.